The Department of Human Services covers the welfare of a range of individuals. Our mission includes protecting the most vulnerable citizens of the county. And if you think about the way the world's heading from a digital perspective, you pay most of your bills online these days. You check your checking account online. Now you have doctor's appointments online because of COVID. When people are forced at home, in addition to being put in stressful situations, they don't have consistent income, and they're certainly not going to be able to afford a gig of internet. Those are monthly service charges. We said, how can we get internet out to people? And one of the most obvious and fastest ways to do that was taking the Wi-Fi that was in our office locations and basically turning it around to the parking lots so that people could drive in, connect to our Wi-Fi, and then have that access. Now, as we start digging into the details, it's a lot more complicated than just turning it around.
So for each location, we surveyed the building to get an idea of the terrain around the building as well as the actual makeup and construction of the building. And then from there, we found the area that would make sense both to cover the area and to get a cable to on the inside, as well as mount something on the outside of the building. Some of the sites, the largest being about 88,000 square feet. We have AP spread across the entire roof of the strip mall location, while other ones we may have 2 to 4 access points that are mounted on the outside of the building.
We have the CYF McKeesport office, which is known as the Mon Valley office, and that is actually our largest site. That is in a shopping center, and we were able to work with D'Agostino to cover the entire parking lot, which is really exciting. Secondly, we worked to provide parking lot hotspots to the Duff location, which is the CYF permanency office. That also is adjacent to a shopping center, so there is a lot of traffic in that area. And then the third location would be the CYF East Regional Office, Training Office, and Intake Office, which has a very large parking lot in the rear of the building.
When we started this project, we didn't have any experience or expertise in-house managing an external Wi-Fi network. That's where we relied on D'Agostino to help us find the right software partner to manage it on the back end. We wanted to see all of those locations in a single pane of glass.
We went with the Forta Manager, Forta Analyzer cloud that gives us the ability to both push configs to all locations simultaneously, as well as get the full insights into what's happening across the entire county for all the different locations.
So in every case, when we had unknown questions, we took them to the experts at D'Agostino and received great answers and great design. And from that point forward, it was just pushing a button, essentially. They go out and install the service, and we're rolling.